Okay, so now we are going to analyze Orca. Currently is as I had predicted earlier. There was supposed to be a downside of approximately 21%, which fell through. Right now we are in this space, which is which is kind of which is looking at a breakout anytime before the 3rd or 5th September. So accordingly, we could say that it might hold here on this line, or it might break out and go up. Let me put it out for you. Either we can see a bounce from here and then upwards, or it's possible that it might not sustain these support levels. So if you have, I mean, this is not financial advice. This is just my analysis of what you can expect from these after I study the trend lines. As for, let's see, other ones. 1 inch also is kind of a good buy here. I can see that this has already had a pattern here. It's like a teacup pattern. So it's most likely that it will uh, fall through more. There will be a correction, or it might go a bit upwards. Um, as of now, I see that it's right in the mid range, so it's possible that it might go for an extended correction, but the chances are also there that it might go upwards. Again, this is not financial advice. If you have any currencies which you would like me to take a look at, please let me know. I'll just do my best to analyze and put it out there.